Hello students, welcome in my class. Today I will take your mathematics class. Students, first of all we will study what is your syllabus. Your mathematics syllabus divided in three sections: section A, section B and section C. Section A contains 4 chapters: relation and function, algebra, calculus and probability. Relation and function cover 12 marks, algebra 14 marks, calculus 40 marks and probability 14 marks. Total 80 marks. It means section A cover 80 marks out of 100. And section B covered 12 marks. This section contains 3 chapters: vector, 3D geometry and application of integral. And section C also covered 20 marks. Students, section C is a commercial mathematics. This section is very suitable for commerce student. So students, I want first of all you study section A and section B. So now student, I am going to start your algebra portion. In algebra, first we will start matrices. Students, matrix is arrangement of numbers in form of rows and columns. It is arrangement of numbers in form of rows and columns. Students, it is symbolically denoted by large bracket, small bracket and 2 vertical line. Here M cross N. M cross N denoted, M cross N represented order of matrix. And these horizontal lines represent rows of matrix, and these vertical lines are column of matrix. Now we will take some examples. We take 3 matrices. In first matrix, 3 row and 3 column. So therefore order of this matrix is 3 cross 3. In second matrix, 3 rows and 1 column. So therefore order of this matrix is 3 cross 1. In third matrix, number of rows only 1 and number of column 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore order of this matrix is 1 cross 4. Students, matrix is also denoted by A equal to Aij, M cross N, where I equal to M row, I equal to M row and J equal to N column. For this we will take a example: A equal to Aij 2 cross 3. We can written as A equal to 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 2 2 1, A2 2 A2 3, 2 cross 3. Students, 2 2 means this element belongs second row and second column. It is an address of element. 2, 3 means this element belongs second row and third column. We take next example, students. Write A equal to Aij 2 cross 3, where Aij equal to 2i minus 3j. The students, we have Aij equal to 2i minus 3j. Therefore A11 equal to 2 into 1 minus 3 into 1 equal to 2 1 ja 2, 3 1 ja 3. 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. A12 equal to 2 into I equal to 1. We put the value of I equal to 1 and j equal to 2. Equal to 2 1 ja 2, 3 2 ja 6. The 2 minus 6 equal to minus 4. A13 equal to 2 into 1 minus 3 into 3. 2 1 ja 2, 3 3 ja 9. 2 minus 9 equal to minus 7. And A21 equal to 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1 equal to 2 2 ja 4, 3 1 ja 3. 4 minus 3 equal to 1. A22 equal to 2 into 2 minus 3 into 2 equal to 2 2 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6. 4 minus 6 equal to minus 2. A23 equal to 2 into 2 minus 3 into 3 equal to 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9. 4 3 ja 9 minus 5. Students, first of all, we will find A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23 by putting the value of I and j. So therefore A equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23 equal to A11 minus 1 minus 4 minus 7 1 minus 2 minus 5 2 cross 3. It is a answer.